In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to subscribe to Glovo Prime. All you just have to do, just log into your Glovo app, then look at the top left icon, just click on it. Then you're gonna see a page just like this. You can see Glovo Prime right there. So just click on it and you see Glovo Prime unlimited free delivery, say buy to delivery fee for as little as this so amount. I don't know exactly amount it's gonna show you in your own country. So you can see unlimited free delivery at prime restaurant, shops, supermarket, and many more. You can also cancel anytime, exclusive promos, so you can see how it works. Your perks apply to any prime store anywhere in Nigeria, so it will be in your own country. Free delivery on order above this amount at restaurants and shops, and over this amount at supermarket. Cancel anytime and manage your account easily in the app. So this amount is gonna cost per month. So you can also do a quarterly plan, and you can also do a yearly plan. So you see how much it's gonna cost you for 3 months and how much it's gonna cost you for a year. So select the best one you wanna go for, then click on select. Then it's gonna pop a page where it asks you to select your card that you want to use to make the payment. So that's how you can subscribe to Glovo Prime, and you can also apply your code if you have a promo code on for Glovo.